Hi guys. Tá melodička už ide preč. Hi guys, welcome to Iceland. Ja ju zmeškam. Hi guys, welcome to Iceland, my new home, and welcome to my new unboxing video. This time I've prepared for you test and unboxing of Ultrahuman Ring Air Smart Ring. I received this ring directly from the company and I'm really thankful for this opportunity to try it. However, this is not a sponsored video or some collaboration, so the company didn't see this video in advance, and I hope you will see... That's a sheep. And I hope you will see my sincere thoughts during this video, so let's do it! The beginning of the story with the smart ring is a bit different from other electronics. First you receive a test kit with instructions and download the application. In the sizing kit there are various ring sizes. Most finger sizes will find their match here. I chose size 7 as it was the best fit for my index finger where I should wear the device. You have the plastic piece of a ring, which is not yet smart to wear during the night. Size of the fingers change slightly between night and day, so you should be comfortable with it all the times. I highly recommend ordering this sizing kit. Later you receive the correctly sized ring, which is now a smart ring. The smart ring arrives in a bulky box considering the device's small size, but let's check what's inside. It's truly majestic. The ring has my full attention now. I chose the shiny silver version and I'm not disappointed, it looks great. Wow, let me admire this piece of technology. This is my first smart ring and I hadn't yet had the pleasure to check one out. You can see the circuits and even the motherboard on the inner part of the ring. Wow, let's try it on. Just kidding, don't worry. I think I already like it. I'm so happy the size fits. Okay, let's check the rest of the box. Here are some warm words, necessary documentation, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which looks high quality, and the wireless charger for the ring. It seems each ring size has a different charger. So let's pair the ring with a smartphone, which is necessary, otherwise you've just purchased another dumb ring. You need to put your smart ring on a charger first, so be ready to plug your charger in, and that's it. A few steps and you just paired your ring via Bluetooth with your iPhone or Android device. Okay, now I need to gather some information in the app, so I'll leave it for now and see you later after my test. I mean, see you in a second. Yes, so more than a month passed since I started wearing the ring, and what really caught me was the application. I'm not sure I've ever seen such a complex, huge, yet well-organized app. What makes me happy is that it nicely supports the layout of the foldable Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. At the top you have days and dates, and you can see your results in a nice summary. After tapping on each topic you see more details, and after clicking on it, you see even more details. It's crazy. If you love data, you are in seventh heaven. The ring tracks your steps, calories, stress, sleep, heart rate including HRV and resting HR, VO2 max, SpO2, skin temperature, and then provides you conclusions and suggestions. There are colors, numbers and graphs, so you get a comprehensive picture of your body condition, training and sleeping habits. But of course, the amount of data means nothing if it's not accurate, right? So I decided to buy the second generation of the Garmin Epix Pro, a really good and relevant smartwatch, and compare these two devices. Let's start with the training features. You can find 22 basic workouts here. I did some walking, hiking and cycling. The trick is you have to start the training from your smartphone. The ring doesn't have any buttons or features like that. Also, the ring itself doesn't have GPS, so the route data comes from the smartphone. It doesn't make sense to comment on the GPS accuracy then, because it depends on your smartphone. In my case, everything seemed accurate even compared to Garmin. Heart rate was tricky because the data from the watch and the ring didn't always match. I couldn't verify my average heart rate, so I leave this with a question mark. If you are wondering why I don't go to the doctor to check the accuracy in real time, it's because the ring doesn't show heart rate in real time. It averages data over 10 to 15 minutes cycles, if I understood correctly. On the other hand, the resting heart rate was very similar between the watch and the ring. That's interesting and good. Something similar happened with the temperature deviations. The temperatures weren't always the same, but at least there were no huge differences. Usually both devices agreed that my temperature was within the normal range, without any signs of fever or illnesses. However, once both devices showed a slightly higher temperature, so my body was probably fighting something. The sleep effectiveness scores also differed. The REM phase showed different numbers, which I can't verify, but I consistently had high scores on both devices. Falling asleep quickly and sleeping like that is my superpower, and I'm proud that the ring agrees. Of course, sometimes I didn't sleep properly, so both devices showed lower scores, but the efficiency remained good. Fun fact, you can check the number of tosses in the app, and I usually toss only 1 to 4 times, which I think is pretty good. The blood oxygen level feature is still in beta and it might not be at its best. It always showed me 100, 99 or 98%, which seems very optimistic to me, but again, these are just my thoughts. What surprised me was the step count. The ring always showed significantly fewer steps by thousands. I work as a housekeeper now and make many hand moves like making beds and cleaning. After such a day, Garmin showed a lot more steps. I know how far you must walk to do more than 18,000 steps, and I'm sure I didn't walk that much in hotel rooms, restaurant or kindergarten. So my conclusion is that Garmin also counts hand movements during tasks like changing linens. This means the ring is stricter about what counts as a step versus gesticulation or manual work. During my previous journalistic career, I compared up to 6 devices at once and can say that no device is completely accurate. But in my specific situation, I believe the ring is more accurate. I'm not saying Garmin is bad, this is just my personal experience based on my current job. You might have a different experience if you work in an office or another type of job. But to make things more complicated, I used another smartwatch, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and I checked the steps too. The step count on this watch was somewhere in the middle, so I would say that maybe the ring slightly underestimates the step count. So you can see how many things arise when comparing devices. But to sum up, I had good information about my daily activities, body condition and useful recommendations. Ultrahuman is continually improving the app with new data, graphs and functions, and from my point of view they are eager to enhance the ring and user experience. I wanted to give you a broader picture by comparing it with another device, as that's my job as a reviewer. Okay, but there were also some things which I would like to improve. For example, I work many hours manually and I'm in a constant movement, but At the end of the day, I see zero activity in my application, and I'm really sad from that because I was moving a lot. So what I love on the Samsung smartwatches, for example, there is this automatic training detection. When you are moving constantly, I don't know, 10 minutes, then it starts to count as an activity or as a training. And this is something what I really would like to have on the smart ring, but I don't know if it's possible. I'm just saying that this would be very nice because I'm really sad from the zero activity in the application after all my active day. So that would be really nice. I would also like faster charging. It took more than 2 hours to charge the ring, so I recharged it here and there for half an hour when I was at home. So this is what I would like to see improved in the next generation. Talking about the battery, the ring should last up to 6 days, but for me it lasted 4 to 5 active days. Yes, so that's all what I would like to tell you about the ring for now. If you have some additional questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to answer you. I will continue to wear this ring. I really like it. It's my friend now. And if you have this ring, because it's not the newest thing on the market, I will be very happy when you write about your experiences to the comments. And if you want to buy it, I have a discount code provided by Ultrahuman for you. So just check the link below this video, click on the link, and you will get some nice discount. So yes, thanks for watching, and if you want you can also check my Instagram account, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's all. So thanks for watching and see you some other time with some other device. Bye!